Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about Graves' disease. Graves' disease is also known as toxic diffuse goiter. It is an autoimmune disease leading to hyperthyroidism. Now let us see about the etiology of this condition. It is caused by formation of thyroid stimulating immunoglobulin and thyroid growth immunoglobulin. The thyroid stimulating immunoglobulin binds thyroid follicle TSH receptors and stimulates thyroid hormone production. The thyroid growth immunoglobulin also stimulates glandular hyperplasia and enlargement. Now let us see about the risk factors for this condition. Women between 20 to 40 years of age and HLA-DR3 and HLA-B8 positive patients are at increased risk for Graves' disease. Now let us see about the pathology of this condition. Grossly, there will be symmetrical enlargement of thyroid gland. Now let us see about the microscopic features of this condition. There will be hypercellularity. The follicles are small and wedged together with little colloid. As you can see in this picture, there is hypercellularity and the follicles are small and wedged together with little colloid. The interstitium may show lymphocytic infiltrate. Now let us see about the clinical features of this condition. There will be symptoms of hyperthyroidism. There will be exophthalmos, that is protrusion of eyes. This picture shows a patient with exophthalmos. There will be thickened edematous nodules on lower extremities due to dermopathy. Now let us see about the treatment of this condition. The various treatment options include radioactive iodine, antithyroid drugs like propylthiouracil, carbimazole, and methimazole, thyroidectomy, beta blockers like propranolol can be given to control tachycardia seen in hyperthyroidism. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.